अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुर्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय श्रीधरभक्ताय नमः। वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्यैव च भो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि श्री गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। So first of all I offer my humble respectful Dandavat Pranam. Lotus feet of Nitya Leela Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj and Nitya Leela Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtutara Satmad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously offer my humble respect and pranam to Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj and all senior devotees and all of Vaishnavis and presented all of my respectful guests. So, yesterday I also discussed about the heroine tattva. Heroine, understand? What do you mean heroine? That is called Naika tattva. And in Ujjal Ras means, you understand, no? Singar Ras. That is called conjugal. What is the conjugal mode? So here the conjugal mode is called Ujjal Ras or Singar Ras. In Singar Ras also two things, one is called Sakya, one is called Parakya. Sakya means relation between wife and husband, that is called Sakya. Or Parakya means lover and beloved mode, that is called Parakya. In our Gaudiya Sampradayas, they always emphasis with Parakya Ras. That is called transcendental Braj Parakya Rasa, not material. Transcendental Braj Paramur mode. So yesterday I told about Naika Tattva. Naika means heroine Tattva. So again, just to repeat and remind to you, one is called Sakya and is called Parakya. So Sakya and Parakya in this way too. Then different kinds of the mood of the gopis. Some is called Mugdha, Madha and Pragalbha. Madha, that is called three types, and Pragalbha also three types, or Mugdha is called one type. So that means how many? 7 into 2. 7 into 2, how many? 14. And another Mugdha, Kannaka is called 1. Those gopis are immature, they are called Kannaka. So in this way 14 plus 1, 15. Then also explain 8 types of what is called Ashtanayika. Eh? Yesterday I told you, but you did not forget. Eh? What is that? Abhisarus, Abhisarika, Vasak Sajja, and Khandita, and or you not remembering. So in this way, 8 into 15 to 8, that is called 120, and then again also explain that the Uttam, Madhyam and Kanishta Nayika. And that is called 360. So in total how many heroines? 360. And how to read so much pain. So just we also discussed yesterday, so no need again more and more. Now coming about the Nayak Tattva heroine. Nayak Tattva hero. How many types of hero?
96.
You know or not? You know? No. Listen something, just give some, what is called, outline and what? Not deep. But if you not learn these things, so you cannot develop your sadhana and bhajan. So that is called Krishna, 3 types of dham. One is called Dwaraka, Mathura and Vrindavan. Remember, how many dhams? 3 dhamas. Dwaraka is called Purna, complete. Mathura is called Purnatara, and more complete. Or Vrindavan is called Purnatama, most complete. So in this way, our Shastra explains this way, Krishna 3 dhams. And Krishna manifests in his form according to his dham also. Krishna manifests his complete form in Dwarakapuri, are more complete in Mathura and most complete in Vrindavan. So they Purna, Purnatara and Purnatama. Then Krishna also explained this way, there is a Nayak Tattva also, Anukul. No. One is
Shanta, Udatta, Lalita.
Anukul, no, Anukul. Dhir Udatta, Dhir Lalit, Dhir Uddhata, Dhir Shanta. What did he say? Dhir Udatta, Dhir Lalit, Dhir Uddhata or Dhir Shanta. So how many now? 3 into 4. And Dwaraka, Mathura, Vrindavan. 3. Then or then 4. Dhir Udatta, Dhir Lalit, Dhir Uddhata or Dhir Shanta. How many? 12. Arun is called Pati and Upapati. How is called Pati and Upapati. Mood of husband or mood of beloved. So for this regard too, that is called 12 into 2, 24. Then again Krishna also explained this way Anukul, short, dakshin or drishta. And 4. They are listening.
They are asking Mike, giáo,
हाँ.
like Mike.
That are translating, no?
Yes.
So Anukul, short, dakshin and drishta 4. So how many now?
24 plus
24
4,
into 4.
19.
So 96. Very simple. This Naik Tattva is very simple.
Yeah.
Naika Tattva is a little bit complicated.
Yeah.
Naika means heroine. Heroine Tattva little bit complicated. But Naik Tattva very simple. So in this way, just to remember, 3 into 4, 12 into 2, or then
To 4.
24 into 4. That is called 96 types of Naika. Very simple. Because why I am saying these things? Because first you know what is your ultimate goal. Why are we chanting holy names? What do you want? Why you are chanting holy names? Follow. How to become the maid servant of Srimati Radhika, Radha Das. This is the thing. Padabja stavina vardashramevo nannat kadapi samay kila devi jache sakkhayeto namasto namasto nityam dasayate mama rasastu rasastu sattam. Many years, 10 years, 15 years, chanting holy names, but you have no knowledge, your ultimate goal, so you cannot attain your perfection goal. For this regard, Bhakti-Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada explained, Jai Timire, Sai Timire. Jai Timire means? Timire means? Same darkness. Before coming, you were in darkness, and now you are also same darkness. You have to come out from the darkness. Andhakar se bahar aa jao. How will come from the darkness? How will come? Some listen Hari Katha, listen something, this Tattva also. Then slowly, slowly, you will be realized. So for this regard, just simple way, I told you about Nayak Tattva and Naika Tattva. And also, yesterday we also discussed about Viraha Tattva also and Milan Tattva. There are many kinds of Viraha, many kinds of Milan, our Acharya Pad explained. This way also. Yesterday we also explained what kinds of Viraha. Remember, 3 types of Viraha also. What is that?
Bhavi Viraha, Bhavana Viraha,
Bhavi Viraha, Bhavan Viraha or Bhavva Viraha. So in the same way, meeting also 3 types. Bhavi Milan, Bhavan Milan or Bhavva Milan. Just use this word. Future, present and past. But always you remember in transcendental world only one tense is there. That is called Nitya Vartaman Kal. Nitya Vartaman means প্রেজেন্টে এইবারে প্রেজেন্ট হ্যাঁ
Eternal present.
প্রেজেন্ট পারফেক্ট টেন্স অলরেডি দেয়ার হ্যাঁ
Nitya eternal.
হ্যাঁ
Nitya
নিত্য মানে এটার্নাল
Bhartavan.
নিত্য বর্তমান হ্যাঁ
Eternal present.
What is this? In this material world, three tense we are saying, present, past and future. But in transcendental Aprakat Golok Vrindavan, just I discussed about Aprakat Golok Vrindavan. Aprakat Golok Vrindavan, there is the only one tense is there, Ekokal. That is called Nitya Vartaman. You remember the Sanskrit? What is it? Nitya Vartaman Kal. And that Nitya Vartaman Kal always ever fresh and newly. Well, how possible? When you watch this word newly, that time automatically had passed. Here. Well, transcendental Golok Vrindavan, Krishna's in his inconceivable potency, Achanta Sakti, he performed this Leela also. Because this material world is called the controlled by the Kal, Kaladhin. Kal means time. Everything is also and controlled by time or not. You cannot sit longer is here. How long will you sit here? 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours. Then you have to leave this place. But in transcendental world, there is Aprakat Golok Vrindavan. There all the everything is what? That is called Nitya Vartaman. Ever fresh, newly. Nitya is in this way. Ever fresh, newly. Well, how? Because Krishna is Bhagavan. And with his inconceivable potency, he manifested this Leela also. In this material are not possible. And actually in this material world, no present tense. Possible. When you saying one thing, then automatically you are past. Very quick. The what is called? What? The arms of the clock always moving or not? When you say one thing, then that second also past. So that means where is the present? When you say present, then saying is then also
Becomes past.
become past.
Instant.
These are two wrong. So saying time and tide. Wait for none. Always going this, always going. But in transcendental world, especially I discuss about Aprakat Golok Vrindavan Dham. The Krishna's all this Leela is eternal and transcendent. And also is called ever fresh, newly. That is called Nitya Navayanman. What do you say? Nitya Navayanman. Ever fresh, newly. Well, how is this going on this way? Because Krishna's performed all his Leela with his Achinta Sakti. Achinta Sakti means inconceivable potency. Inconceivable potency, with his inconceivable potency, Krishna performed this Leela. Achinta Sakti is there. So maybe your question, what is the meaning of Achinta? Pala. What is the inconceivable? Achinta kholu je bhava stang starkeno no jujvet prakriti paribo achinta tasya lakshanam. Achinta kholu je bhava. Achinta means inconceivable, beyond of our material conception. In this material, what we are doing, what we are thinking, that is also in, and the material conception is there. Eh? I am looking to you. You are looking to me. Eh? This you are changing always. Eh? In this material, every second is changing. This is true. But transcendental world, there is the eternal and transcendental. So saying, achinta kholuje bhava tangs torke no jit. Because which is inconceivable things, achinta vastu, you cannot establish with your material conception. जड़ विचार की तरह स्थापन नहीं कर सकते. You cannot establish that things with your material conception. How is going on this? Eh? So, this saying, the Krishna, he is called Nava Navayanman. Ever fresh, new. And all his parikar also same way. Everything is also same way. And ever fresh, new. For this regard, everybody so much attracted with Lord. Bhagavad Dham, his form, eternal and transient. Take this. For this regard, if you go Aprakat Golok Vrindavan Dham, you will be never tired. In this material world, tiredness is coming. Tiredness is coming. But in Aprakat Golok Vrindavan Dham, there are no any words of tiredness. But also looking this way, they are become very tired. That is called the Leela. Jogmaya, she arranged this way. Because their body also transcendental. So how possible they become tired? But according to the Jogmaya, Leela this way. Otherwise Leela will not happen. So Jogmaya arranged it. Just give an example, Srimati Radhika. She told to Krishna, hey, I cannot walk. I cannot go with you. Because Krishna told, hey Radhe, look, now others gopis are coming here. If they will see to you, or you are with me, then others gopis, they will become very angry. And so much jealousy will come in their heart. So it is better, we have to leave this place. Understand? Krishna told to Srimati Radhika, I am looking, the gopis are coming. They are searching to us. So where is Krishna? Where is Radha? Chandravali's Paksha, they are searching for Krishna. Radharani's Paksha, they are searching to Srimati Radhika. Understand? But some Radharani's gopis, they know where is Sri Radha. Srimati Radhika, she is now with Krishna. They know everything. But anyhow, those who are Radha Paksha gopi, those gopis are inclined to Srimati Radhika. They are thinking, where is Radha? Those gopis are inclined towards Krishna. They are searching, where is Krishna? Depend on your love. This is the thing. As like mother, she is searching her baby. Searching her baby or not? Where is my baby? Where is my baby? Searching. Just give an example. In the same way, those gopis are inclined towards Krishna. They are searching, where is Krishna? Or those gopis are inclined towards Srimati Radhika. They are thinking, where is Srimati Radhika? But Krishna noticed some gopis who are rival of Srimati Radhika. Rival, understand? They are also searching, they are coming. So Krishna told, hey Radhe, we should leave this place. Because they are very close to us. If they will see, I am decorated over here with the flowers, that is called Singar bird, and I doing this way. Then they will become very jealous and angry. So for this regard, Krishna told his Srimati Radhika, we have to leave this place. Then Srimati Radhika, she is thinking, that gopis, they also completely surrendered to me. And now I am staying with only my beloved Krishna. Just Srimati Radhika is thinking. So this is not good. They have to come with me. And all they share love and affection with Krishna. Because Srimati Radhika's heart is what is called? Big heart. What is called? Udar Chitta. Udar means? Magnanimous. So Srimati Radhika is sitting, they have to come and meet with. But here Krishna is thinking, if this gopi will see, that gopi will see, yeah, I am with Krishna, I am with Srimati Radhika, that time their co-wife mood will come. Co-wife mood समझते हो?
Yes.
What is that? One husband, two wives. A big problem or not? Too much jealousy will come. I like Uttanpad, two wives. Suniti and Suruchi. Big problem will come. One wife, very problem. So how possible two wives? Understand? King Uttanpad, how many wives there? He has two. Suniti and Suruchi. So always two wives, a co-wife, quarreling. So in the same way, Krishna is thinking, now I am with Krishna, Srimati Radhika, and if the others gopis see to me, that I am with Srimati Radhika, then there so much co-wife mood will manifest in their heart. Co-wife, understand? So much jealousy will come. So they will be also, then they will did man also. So how to pacify their man? Thousand gopis. I do pacify one gopi's man, then another gopi become angry, another gopi angry. So whole day, what is it called? Pacifying one gopi to another gopi. So when I will do Lila? When will I perform Rasa Lila? For this regard, Krishna is thinking, I have to do another Lila and leave to Srimati Radhika. Actually, Krishna's plan is this way. And here Srimati Radhika, she is thinking, all these gopis, they have so much love and affection with me. Or I am now playing with Krishna. So all my Sakhi, they have to meet with Krishna. This is the Srimati Radhika. Srimati Radhika's this mood. Krishna's mood and Srimati Radhika mood is now different. Another thing Krishna is thinking, the Srimati Radhika, she is now with me, but her mind is where? Going to others gopis. So our meeting is not realizable. आसाध्य नहीं होगा. Not realizable. When hero and heroine, but lover and beloved mood is same, then that a meeting will be releasable. Understand? Is it true? Eh? But now Srimati Radhika, she is staying with me, but her mind is going where? Other gopis. So now I am staying with Srimati Radhika. This is not releasable of our meeting. So it is better and I to leave this place also. I give up Srimati Radhika and going and alone in one place. Remember, another reason Krishna is thinking, if Srimati Radhika she is separate from me, then Srimati Radhika, she will feel pang of separation me and she will cry for me. Then others gopis, they will come very close to Srimati Radhika. Automatically their sympathy will manifest in their heart, and then they will pacify to Srimati Radhika. Understand? There are many reasons. Krishna is thinking, now I have to leave Srimati Radhika. So there are many reasons, not one reason. Who understood? What understood this? You understand? Why Srimati Radhika, why Krishna, he leave Srimati Radhika in this contest? Follow?
Many reasons.
Her mind was not there.
Whose mind? Srimati Radhika is not mind,
Was in others gopis.
was not here. Her mind is going towards others gopis.
The meter was not Vishnu.
This thing. And another?
If he leaves Srimati Radhika alone, then others gopis will pacify Srimati Radhika.
Huh?
Others gopis will come and pacify Srimati Radhika if he leaves Srimati.
Then automatically the co-wife mood will be not manifest.
Not manifest. Pacify Srimati Radhika.
Or another, if the gopis will say to me, I am with Krishna, I am with Srimati Radhika, they are also jealousy will come, man will come. So whole day I will pacify to their man. One gopi to another, whole day. So when will perform Leela? That's it. This is it. This is going on. This. So for this regard, Krishna is thinking, I have to leave this place. Then Srimati Radhika, she told, Na chalitum, I cannot walk. Actually, Srimati Radhika, why she is saying, I cannot walk? Because Srimati Radhika, she is thinking, I have to give compassion. And with my gopis, those are feeling pang of separation from me. This thing. For this regard, Srimati Radhika, she told, I can't walk. Then Krishna told, I am very tired. Because transcendental word, there is no tiredness word. But here the Krishna Lila, Jogmaya, she arranged this word, tiredness. Here we are tired. We are tired or not? You are very tired to listen Hari Katha.
Sleeping late.
Huh?
No, only because of sleeping late.
Sleeping late.
Yeah, that's that.
Who told you sleeping late? The whole night you are speaking. Only excuse. How many hours you are sitting here? I am listening. Making me night. Useless. Sound is going or not? So, when we sleep? 2 o'clock.
No,
What?
midnight, 12:30.
12:30. After 12:30, I think so. 1 o'clock, until 1 o'clock you are speaking well. Sound is coming.
May come out from his
Huh?
other devotees.
Who told you to sleep midnight? You can sleep proper time. And proper time you have to wake up. Just to blaming, oh, you are speaking late Harikatha. But after my Harikatha, then what you will do? Blah, 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 blah. 1 hour Harikatha or 3 hours blah, blah, eh? Taking prasad, eh? Blah, blah. You are doing or not?
Yes.
This is the Western culture. Nice culture.
Bengalis.
Huh?
Oh, I'm surprised. In India, I see the Bengalis like in 10 minutes, 15 minutes, they all sit down, take prasad and leave immediately. It's so beautiful. I saw in Vikrama. Yeah, they're so fast.
And Indian people, they are not staying together a lot of time. But those are kormi, they are another thing. Huh? Or you are devotee, also same.
Like
You did not give up your previous habits. Before coming Krishna consciousness, also sitting where?
in the table.
Table. Huh? Understand? And eating prasad, eating and speaking.
That time is
Huh?
that time is over.
And now you are devotee, also same thing. Are no, take prasad, then return back your home. Theater. So what you are doing here? No Harikatha, only what is called? Chamu, Mandan Brahma. Prajalpa. No need Prajalpa. So now you are devotee. You are now devotee. So no need Prajalpa. Take prasad, then go. In our Mathura temple, very strict that time. Just remember. When you are taking prasad, no one and speak. If Gurudev notice, then brum, very heavy that time. Gurudev in the beginning, very, very heavy, strict, everything. So, just I also explain, what did he say?
And Krishna lived that way also.
So Krishna is thinking this.
Oh,
thinking now. Oh, Srimati Radhika is thinking, I am now meeting with my beloved Krishna, but my friends are now we are separate from Krishna. So this is not good, because all the gopis, they also completely surrendered to me. And especially those who are inclined, Sakhis, those Sakhis are inclined towards Srimati Radhika, Radha Paksha gopis. Many kinds of gopis there are. Sapaksha, Vipaksha, Tarsapaksha, Suhid Paksha, Shruti Chari, Muni Chari, or Sadhana Siddha, Nitya Siddha, Sarvana Sita, or Janakpuri's girls, ladies, Kanna. Many kinds of gopis in there. So now coming in this way, especially Radha Paksha's gopis. So Srimati Radhika is thinking that gopis, they also inclined to me, completely surrendered to me. But they are also feeling separation from Srimati Radhika, Krishna. I am here meeting with Krishna. So I have to wait, and they can meet with Krishna. This thing. For this regard, Srimati Radhika, she pretended this word. What is he saying? I cannot walk. I am tired. So is a tiredness kotha is coming here. I use this word tiredness. This is called lila. This tiredness is, this is called the one kind of anubhav. Anubhav. There are the many things. Lila, lila, what is it called? Lila anubhav, different things. Actually, Srimati Radhika, she is not tired. But according to this Leela, she is saying, I am very tired. And Ahangnam Chalitum. I cannot walk. And she is saying, yes, she is very tired. Actually, she is not tired. So, in this transcendental world of Pragya Chit Jagat, what are doing? Everything performed by Yogamaya. But in the beginning of the Raslila Katha, Krishna, a Sukdev Goswami Pad used this word Yogamaya Mupasitam. Yogamaya Mupasitam. Yogamaya Mupasitam. Bhagavan Opi Taratri Saradutphulla Mallika Viksharantu Manaschakri Yogamaya Mupasitam. Krishna and Krishna Parikar, all they perform the Leela with Yogamaya, not Mahamaya. We are conditional soul. Whatever we are doing, that they perform by Mahamaya. Understand? Mahamaya, not Yogamaya. When Shuddha Bhakti will manifest in our heart, that time all our activities performed by Yogamaya. Now we are doing everything by Mahamaya. Mahamaya, how she is it? Actually, we are not doing. Mahamaya, she also make me to dance. You don't want to dance. This is true. But Mahamaya, she makes dance to you. And how? With her 3 ropes, Sattva, Raja and Tamaguna. That picture only I am showing. What is that? Forget. How Sattva, Raja and Tamaguni Maya, she end up and she also bind all the living entities with the 3 ropes. Sattva, Raja and Tamaguna. As like puppet. Prakriti, Guna, Ahankara, Vimuratma, Kartaro bhi mannate. You understand it? Krishna and Krishna Parikar. Krishna and Krishna's associates. What they are doing? That they perform by Yogamaya. Or in this material conditional soul, what they are doing? Performed by which Maya? Mahamaya. This thing. Mahamaya is doing this. Because this is her duty. This thing. So one is called Mahamaya, one is called Yogamaya. When you surrender to Yogamaya, then Mahamaya will leave you. Then Yogamaya will arrange for you. This is the process. But very difficult. This picture always remember. This is how this Maya Devi. Very nice, sweet young girls. Good or not?
Yes.
Understand? And this is the? Now this is the strength, rope. Sattva, Raja, Tama, Sattva, Raja and Tama, and all they are doing this. But we are not thinking. But she is doing this way. Some become very angry, some is working, some do this. This is the thing. But when we surrender to Krishna, then Mahamaya will not to disturb to us. Then Yogamaya will arrange everything for us. So saying, their song is Bhaktivinoda Thakur and very nice, beautiful Bengali song also there. This song?
Kuladevi Jogamaya.
কুলদেবী যোগমায়া মোরে কৃপা করি
Ah, yeah.
কবে উদ্ধার রূপে কবে
Mera
নির্মল
liya kya Amar Samana.
হ্যাঁ yes all the song
Nahi samsara.
আমার সমান হ্যাঁ
Amar samana hi.
very nice beautiful this song Bhakti Vinod Thakur interest he very merciful হ্যাঁ আমারও আমার সমানহীন নাহি কোই সংসারে
Bhava paravar.
কুলদেবী যোগমায়া মোরে কৃপা করি আবার মু কবি সর্ব
Bhava vishwadari.
হ্যাঁ I read that. It is very important. तीन सौ You find out not?
Yes.
Hariya amaro samano. Amaro samano hino. This song. Amaro samano hino.
Nahi.
349. Okay. আমার সমানহীন নাহি ক সংসারে অস্থির হয়েছে পড়ে ভব পারাপারে কুলদেবী যোগ মায়া মোরে কৃপা করি আবরণ সম্বরিবে কবে বিশ্বদরি শুনেছি আগমে বেদে মহিমা তোমার শ্রীকৃষ্ণ বিমুখে বাঁধি করাও সংসার কৃষ্ণ সামুখ যার মহাভাগ্য হয় তারে মুক্তি দিয়া কর অসুখ অভয় এহেন দাসের জননী করিও কৈতব দয়া বৃন্দাবনে দেহ স্থান তুমি যোগ মায়া তোমারে লঙ্গিয়া কোথা জীবে কৃষ্ণ পায় কৃষ্ণ রাস প্রকটিল তোমার কৃপায় তুমি কৃষ্ণ অনুচরী জগত জননী তুমি মোরে দেখাইলে মুষ্ণ চিন্তামণি নিষ্কপট হয়ে মাতা কৃষ্ণ প্রাণরে চনে বৈষ্ণবের বিশ্বাস বৃদ্ধি হোক বৈষ্ণব চরণ বিনা ভব পারাবা ভকতি বিনোদনারে হইবারে পা very nice six very nice but another Kulak Devi Jogamaya More কৃপা করি আবরণে বিশ্বদরি एक इसमें हमारे समय नहीं ना
Second verse.
Yeah.
हाँ कुला देवी जोगमाया मोरे कृपा करी आवरण संबरिवे मोरे ए कबे विश्वदरी हाँ रीड द मीनिंग दिस हाँ
Linda, linda.
हाँ
Não existe ninguém nesse mundo tão caído quanto eu. Eu caí nesse oceano da existência material que é tão vasto. E aqui eu estou sofrendo muito, estou muito agitado. Próximo.
Ó Yogamaya, ó deidade adorada dos Vaishnavas, ó Mãe do Universo, quando você irá derramar sua misericórdia e levantar o seu véu? O seu véu.
finish no
Eu ouvi suas glórias das literaturas védicas. Você amarra as almas que estão avessas a Krishna e faz com que elas se engajem na vida material.
Aquela pessoa que, através de se afogar gradualmente na boa fortuna, desenvolver uma disposição favorável a Shri Krishna, você garante a libertação e faz com que ela se torne livre da lamentação e do medo.
finish
Ó Mãe, por favor mostre a sua misericórdia sem causa para esse servo e conceda o abrigo de Vrindavana, porque você é a própria Yogamaya.
Sem levar você em consideração, como que as almas podem alcançar Shri Krishna? Krishna manifestou a Rasa Lila apenas pela sua misericórdia.
Você é uma companheira eterna de Shri Krishna e é a mãe do universo. Você me mostrou a joia transcendental que realiza os desejos da consciência de Krishna.
Ó Mãe, por favor, jogue o seu olhar sobre mim sem reservas para que minha fé nos Vaishnavas possa aumentar a todo instante.
Sem tomar abrigo dos pés de lótus dos Vaishnavas, Bhaktivinoda Thakura não é capaz de cruzar o oceano da existência material.
Nossa, Bolo Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki jai. So gopis, all their tiredness or everything, that is called Yogamaya. They are different लीला नामक अनुभव का है different अनुभव का अनुभव है अनुभव coming this or finish now 12:30 चलो ना 8:30 I have to give class Chinese you know Bolo Vrindavan I told 8 o'clock but now 8:30
Okay, that's why Radhakant is calling you.
Ah, yes, sorry.
Bolo Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki jai 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 Shri Ram Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare Nitai Gaura Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Bol Gaura Hari Gaur Premanandi Hari Now take prasad, you will go also. What time will go? 10 o'clock. Where they will go?
Garupada.
10. Okay. So now take prasad and prepare to go. What, I don't know here. Your van, what time? How many devotees will come by van?
Quantos devotos que vão de van? Quantos devotos que vão de van? Você levanta a mão.
15, I have the list.
15?
No, 14. There is one empty space. If someone-
What is the van will come what time?
10 o'clock.
10.
Brazilian time 10.
Can happen.
10 fazendo.
They are businessmen, they will be.
Huh?
They want businessmen, they will be on
Sometimes
time.
businessmen-
Time is money.
Huh?
Time is money for them. They will be on
No, sometimes they are not coming, late coming.
Like
Huh?
the boat.
Sometimes they come late, man.
Huh?
Not the van, the boat.
The boat will told, okay, 9 o'clock. then
8:30 were there.
8:30,
And then never came. Oh, really?
then 9 o'clock, then 10 o'clock, no, 10:30 only.
Yeah.
Good?
Still late. Still late for good day.
So much good. Okay, chalo. Wait for the class. Very good. Now we'll take prasad. What are they giving prasad? No?
Offering, now offering.
Offering. Okay. Offering is okay. Offering quick.
My mother like taking initiation.
Okay. First take prasad, then I will going to maybe